In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an entire film using LTX Studio with just a single click. And towards the end, I'll share a bonus tip that will absolutely blow your mind, so make sure you stick around until the end. For now, let's dive right into the tutorial.
Step 1, go to LTX Studio and here you will have to join the wait list for the time being, okay? But they approve ideally within next 48 hours, right? So once you join and once you get the link, you'll have to sign up first, then you'll have to go to sign in. Once you sign in, this is the dashboard. Here you can create your project. Now here are three options. One is create a story with a prompt. Second is visualize your concept. And third is from scratch you can start a project, a complete storyboard. Okay. First you need a story. If you have a story, then you may skip this option. If you don't have a story, go to ChatGPT and give your idea. Like I have given, please make a short story of 10 scenes. Okay. On this idea, a little boy programs a robot who gets in touch with a new alien species in the new universe who captures Voyager 1 which NASA sent, and they are planning to destroy Earth and human civilization. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Copy this. Now, once your story is ready, go to this right prompt option. And I will simply paste that story and go next. Okay. Now, they will generate the characters. You can go to add character option in order to add further other characters. Here, in the left hand side, you have a project name. You can change this name. Here you have the aspect ratio. Well, so I'll take 16:9. Here you have video style. You can change the style like comic book style. If you want, you can change it. This will be comic book style. If you want to do a face swap, you can go to this face switch option and here you can upload an image which you want to be used for creating that particular character. Well, for me, I am going to go for neon punk option. Okay. You have so many styles. Okay. Now I will go for neon punk. So let me find it out. This one. Okay. Now you can alternatively drag and drop images also here for a style reference. Right. So I would like to show you that as well. I'll go to Leonardo AI and I will download one particular image and will use that as a style reference for the entire film to be casted, right? So I have got a picture which I've just downloaded. So I'll use that one to be used for a style reference. So I'll upload that. And they will change real time, right? Okay. Now here you can choose the style reference intensity. If I keep it lower, the intensity of the style reference will be lower and video style will be getting more value or more weightage. So now let's see what is the change. What final change they are making. Right? So here you can make further changes as well. Now if you go to start option, they will start creating the entire storyboard. This process might take a little time. Okay, now my shot frame by frame, each and every images are ready. So first step is to identify the changes which you need to bring in these images. First is you can change the prompt for that particular shot here, right? Next is shot type. Do you want a medium shot or a wide range shot? There are so many shot types. You can have a drone shot by going by this bird's eye view shot. Okay, establishing shot. Okay, all these type of shots are available. They give as per their identification, right? Another thing which you can do is by going to this shot editor, you have more control over the shot. You have a seed number, you can either copy it or you can change it. Here you can give further negative prompts if you want. Same way shot type is also available here. Motion, if you want different kind of motion, then you can just select that motion, or you can go to customize, and how much will be the motion in that particular scene. You can control that by the scale. If you make it very slow, it will go very slow. If you make it very fast, then you bring the scale towards the right side. I will keep it somewhere like this. Now duration of that particular shot can be determined from these options. And then if you want to have a sound effect for that particular shot, that also you can add here, right? So with this way you will have to confirm each and every shot, right? And then it is into the shot editor. Finally, if you want to create one by one, then go to the storyboard option, and once your entire story is okay, then go for generate video option. It might take a little while. You can go by one generate video option, like so, once your entire story is ready. But before we go to preview option, let us see some more options which are available here. First of all, scene by scene, you have this sound effect where you get the narration which will be uttered in that scene, and the voiceover as well, right? And you can also give what exact weather condition you're looking for. Here on the top, you have some overall bird's eye view of your entire project. You can change the project settings here. You can change the project name, style, everything all together. Here, if you go to cast, you will get the characters which have been used to create this one. You can add character by going to this add character option. Next is soundtrack. If you want to get a particular type of soundtrack, you can ask for. Otherwise, you can upload also your own soundtrack. And voiceover, if you want narrator, an overall narrator who will be telling the story at the back end, that way you can select only one voiceover which will continue saying or narrating the stories or the scenes as a narrator. Otherwise, you can go to character, and character wise you can select the voiceover. Like this character's voice is here.
If you do what you've always done.
Okay, this is my Alex's character.
Genius is 1% inspiration.
This is Rex's character.
I believe that we are
this is the alien observance character, okay, that they have selected. You may change it as well, right? So this way, once entire thing is done, you can go to export option. Here they give 3 exportable files option. One is pitch deck, which is basically scene by scene, frame by frame, separate images will be generated, and you can further make the video in some other software. That is also possible. Second is editing package. They are collaborated with Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. If you want, they are compatible XML file which can be imported further in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve and get it edited further. That way you can download from here, and an editable file frame by frame will be available in Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Otherwise, straightforward, if you want a whole complete MP4 video storyboard format, you can simply go to this download option. Well, this says that to prepare the entire story frame by frame, it might take 1 to 2 minutes time. So you'll have to give that time, permit the software to make the final magic for you. And after all this, okay, once it is exported, you will have to further download. The exported file will be saved in LTX Studio Cloud itself. So if you want to download that file in your computer, then go to this download option in order to get it downloaded in your folder. So this is the final result.
Hey, I'm Alex. I built Rex, a robot with a mind of its own. when a test went wrong, Rex ended up in a whole other universe. It was wild, with strange creatures and advanced civilizations. But things took a turn when Rex found out about a threat to Earth. I had to convince the big shots at NASA, and with Rex's help, we came up with a plan. It wasn't easy, but in the end, we formed an alliance that changed everything. It's funny how a kid and his robot can make such a big difference. Hey, I'm Alex. I built Rex, a robot that accidentally ended up in a distant universe. It discovered an alien threat to Earth. I had to convince NASA, and with Rex's help, it was a tense standoff, but Rex mediated, and the aliens called off their attack. Now Earth and the Zorvians are allies. It's amazing how one invention changed everything.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.